the accused, Tomar and all, they don't know. They have not.
This Indore team, any crucial thing from their finding did you?
See, the main crucial thing is they've recovered those material. These are very important incriminating materials.
So
and
we can say that the investigation into the case, in as far as in the state of Indore, it has been completed.
We cannot say that it's completed. See, the case is always ongoing. Investigation is still going on. We still have to interrogate these accused persons that have been brought, and accordingly, necessary action will be taken. Perhaps if we have to go there again, also our team are ready to send, and they'll be going and doing the investigation there.
Anything found after interrogating this Sonam Raghuvansh's family?
No, like I've said, there's nothing incriminating that we got.
Can see that as SIT evidence, it is strong, which the court also can help.
Yes, whatever evidence, like from the beginning, we have already mentioned that the evidence that we have very strong evidence, and in fact, as we proceed with the investigation, you can also see from whatever media briefing we're giving, and whatever we found also, there are so many things that have been linked to the crime. Yeah.
But
now we have seen that that 3 persons are arrested from Indore, Gwalior, and all. So, are you looking forward for more arrests?
Right now, see, we've already received the police custody, and we are going to thoroughly interrogate them, and then whatever facts which relate to the destruction of evidence, then we'll try to uncover that, as well as any other aspects that come out. Then today, the 3 accused persons, they were being brought from Madhya Pradesh on the transit remand, and they reached today, and accordingly it sent them forwarded them to court for production, and we've got 6 days police custody for the 3 persons.
Okay, how many?
It was claimed by assailants also before that it was there in the bag. So yeah.
So did they have the plan to gun down Raja, or to use that as a murder weapon also?
Right now, that has not been actually revealed, but then that aspect we will be examining. Because see, the bag was burned there, and then yesterday we have not got the phone apart from these materials that were recovered yesterday. But then see, we have sent for FSL those materials, and accordingly, once the report comes, we will see what are the compounds that were present in that.
But does it look like phone or?
No, that will forensic report will be able to tell.
But
the naked
phone
eye
is missing.
Difficult, yeah. All the whatever we have got is like it had already been briefed that there was this bag which we had actually disclosed by the accused persons, Raj as well as Sonam. So when we went there, and then after accessing those visuals and all, we saw that this bag had already been taken out, and accordingly we sent a dispatcher team there, and then the team, when they reached there, they accessed those visuals, CCTVs and all, and then they found that this person was involved, and then later on we found that the bag was burned, also the same bag which as per the
What were their intention?
What evidence collected, whatever till now, what does it direct towards? Is it just that love affair, or is it more than that, a bigger conspiracy?
A motive. See, like it's been briefed already that there is a motive of love angle out there also, but at the same time there are the other materials also that we are exploring, and then once we find, then we'll accordingly put up.
So business angle.
Not sent everyone, 2 of them, but they didn't want to make the statement before the magistrate. that's the discretion that is there. If you're prerogative, the court has agreed cross and order also that they were not willing.
So how strong is this case now?
Yes, we have ample evidence. Yeah, we have ample evidence. Right from the beginning and even till now also, whatever material we have, these are good evidence that we have.
But
We'll wait for the FSL reports, and also these will add strength to them. Our team, the SIT team that had gone to Indore, Madhya Pradesh, they've met the relatives, but such kind of things we do not have any angles which points to that.
Any
To police, confession is not admissible. Everybody knows that. But like I've said, material evidence are very important. Yeah, and it is their right also not to make a confession statement. I mean, not all has been sent except for 2 accused.
who are those two?
Akash and Anand. Yeah, only those 2. But then they refuse. So it's not an issue. We still have evidence to prove the case.
So how,
Oh, yeah.
so how many phones Sonam was having?
You said that she was having 3.
And all the 3s have been recovered?
It has already been destroyed also. Yeah, but another phone we have not been able to recover.
So 2 phones are there.
That we have to do.
Showing the crucial evidence that relates to the case, if you can throw more light on this.
See, the first thing is, like we said, there was the intention first was in fact it was greed also, we can say, and as well as what they've done in the process is of course the destruction of very vital evidences. And in fact right now we are going to investigate, interrogate them, and then find out whether if we are able to get some more light into it, whether because these materials like laptop and all, they said that they have been thrown, but we will interrogate them and find out where exactly they're thrown or whether it's still being kept somewhere. We'll find out.
So
What?
Dealing also, 2 accused also. That is being explored, and the bank details and all is being studied and analyzed, and accordingly we'll be able to come to.
So the splinter team.
The preliminary interrogation statements, and you found there was the weapon that was seized yesterday, that gun, and along with the ammunition, and then that 50,000 which we had retrieved from the vehicle. So these are the things that we had recovered. But in fact, right now we are going to, since we've got police custody, we are going to interrogate more on the materials that were actually being disclosed by the previous accused.
So the weapon
Sonam and
recovered,
Raja. Yeah.
the weapon that you have recovered yesterday, was it also part of this evidence into this murder case?
Yes, because what we've learned is from the statement of of Raj as well as Akash. They had disclosed that there was a weapon in the bag. So accordingly, we were able to get that and then